Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started right in the middle with the nose, and we're going to draw an arch line right in the middle. We're going to close that off underneath. So we're just going to curve this down, tucking this back around and up on the right. Let's draw on the nostrils from the side. We're going to curve this down on either side, and then we're just going to color those in black. Now let's come over for the eyes. So stepping across, we're going to draw on a nice big arch line on the left-hand side. We'll line this up at the same height on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the eyeball. So coming over in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in our highlights. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that first highlight. And then we'll come down on a diagonal from that first one, making our second one smaller. And then now let's just color in the eye black. The rest of the head. So we're going to come in towards the middle, and we're going to draw on the tuft of hair right in the center. So we're going to curve this line out, tucking that back in, moving up above, curving this line over, arching that across. And then from that point, we're just going to curve that through towards the top, tucking that back in on the left. Let's close off the side of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, tucking this over and down on the left. And then we'll replicate that on the opposite side, ending that at the same height. Let's flatten this off underneath. So we're going to round this out, curving this over and through to the center. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right, bringing this across, blending that back in together. Let's draw on the mouth. We're going to draw on a small straight line right in the center. And then stepping below that, we're going to draw on an arch line, connecting that up to the top. Let's close off the bottom of the tongue here, rounding this out, tucking that in on the side. And now from that edge, we're just going to curve this up towards our eye on both sides. Let's frame the bottom of the mouth here, so we're just going to curve this around and down. And now let's add in our ear. So on the left, we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in, curving that over and down. We're going to draw on a sideways letter V. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this all the way around and back in on the left. Now from here up above, curving this over and in. And then we'll round that out on the very top. Let's step across now on the right-hand side. So we're going to try our best to line this up at the same height. We're going to curve this out, tucking that in, arching this around, bringing that back down. Again, drawing in a sideways letter V. And then from that point, just tucking this all the way back around and into the side of the head. Let's step up. We're going to curve this line out. And now on the very top, rounding that edge out, arching that in. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.